Updates 1 and 2 to Visual Studio 2012 introduced many new features for unit testing and those practicing test-first development. New grouping and filtering options in Test Explorer make working with lots of tests easier to manage while writing code. Now developers can group tests in Test Explorer according to which project they are in, what class the test methods are in, or by a new concept which opens up many possibilities, test traits. A test trait is a property of a given unit test, and several are available in the MS Test unit testing framework. MS Test defines attributes used to mark test methods with specific traits. A test method can be attributed with owner, priority, or test category. Additionally, developers can create their own traits using the test property attribute from MS Test. Other unit testing frameworks may use other means of defining traits, such as NUnit's property attribute or XUnit's trait attribute. Filtering unit tests in Test Explorer means developers can focus on just those tests that are important to the task at hand. For solutions with hundreds and even thousands of tests, this can reduce noise and increase focus. Filters can be typed right into Test Explorer's search box, and a convenient list of common filters is available for quick reference. Combining filters and traits allows narrowing down the set of active unit tests to focus specifically on the task at hand. When scoped in this way, only those tests appearing in Test Explorer are run. This helps make running tests quick and easy. This is especially helpful when the solution has so many tests that coding must wait for a test run to complete. A filter can be reversed by putting a minus sign in front of it, thereby hiding any tests that match the filter. With playlists, developers can create custom lists mapping to exactly those tests to be run in a specific situation. Adding tests to a playlist is a simple right-click. Improvements have also been made to the Windows 8 Store application testing namespace, simplifying complex testing scenarios. Windows 8 Store applications make heavy use of async. Assert.throws_exception of t enables developers to test when an exception is thrown in an async lambda expression. Additions to MS Test functionality for Windows Store applications enable passing data into test methods, executing one pass through the test method for every row of data. And test methods can be decorated with the UI test method attribute, forcing unit tests to execute on the main UI thread. Our continuing investments in unit testing technologies ensure our commitment to enabling quality throughout the entire development lifecycle for any application being created with Visual Studio.